मंजिलें मिले खुल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
Hi ma'am, how are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you feeling?
I'm absolutely good. So let's start this very quirky and fun discussion with you.
Sure.
Okay? If you were to write a book, what genre would it be?
If I were to write a book, I would definitely like to go for some motivational books so that it can benefit some other people.
Wow. What's one song that never gets old for you?
So I specifically like to listen to one song which is from Iqbal movie Aashaएं.
Wow, can we have a line with that?
Yes, it's a motivational song. So every time whenever you need motivation, it's a very good song to listen. So it's like आशाएं खुले दिल की, मंजिलें मिले खुल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी.
Nice. So what's your go-to comfort food or favorite cuisine?
I love Chinese.
Chinese?
And especially the honey chili potatoes.
Wow. What inspired you to become an educator in the field of nursing?
So this trait of education have been passed on from my parents. So both my father as well as my mother, they have retired as teachers. So I have passed, these traits have been passed on from them.
Wow. If you could travel back in time, which era would you visit?
Definitely my school days, because that were the best time of one's life. No tension, only masti.
Totally second that. What's your superpower as a faculty member that most students don't know about?
So superpower, I have abilities to teach the most complex concepts in a very simpler manner. I believe that no topic is difficult if it is explained in a simpler way.
That is very motivational. What's the last concert or live event that you went to?
I have not been to any concert or live event, but yes, it's definitely on my bucket list. Recently, by seeing everyone's reels on Instagram for Diljit Dosanjh's concert, so this definitely is on my bucket list.
So are you a Diljit fan?
Yes.
Wow. What's one skill that you think every nursing student should definitely master?
Hard work and hard work.
Okay. Favorite holiday destination you've been to?
Favorite I would say Dubai. It's a perfect blend of luxury as well as cultural richness.
Wow, good to know. What's a book that you think everyone should read at least once in their lifetime?
So for book I would say Bhagavad Gita. So recently I have also started reading it, though I am very inconsistent. But yes, I would like to complete the book so that I can gain some valuable principles that I would follow in my life.
So, as much as you've read the book, do you find any one principle that has really guided you? Or
yes, we should not, especially I have found that we should not overthink. We should not let the worries overpower us.
That is so rightly said. Okay, if you could teach any other subject, what would it be?
Apart from nursing foundation and community, I would like to teach medical surgical nursing.
Nice. Okay, you visited the NML Academy, and what are the most interesting features that you feel that will help nursing students grow in their academics or holistically?
So Academy is very beautifully constructed, especially for the students, because it has all the important elements. Especially it has the CBT labs where the students can experience the real-time pattern how an NORCET exam comes.
Perfect. Thank you, ma'am. This was a very interesting, quirky faculty diary or interaction that we would say. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.